you're getting an automated sales system. So that's the main thing that you're going to be getting. He does offer upsells after you purchase the $9 course. Those upsells are obviously optional. Some of them are fantastic value for money, but in this video, I'm just going to talk about the $9 product, which is the 72-hour challenge. So the way that this works is you're going to get an automated system either in ClickFunnels or System.io, and he is giving you the entire funnel. The way that it works is you get a funnel like this, which is 3 steps. You get the opt-in, the bridge page, and a thank you page. Let me just go ahead and show you the opt-in page. It's to get access to a 100% free course on how anyone can launch the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated online business from home without having any tech skills, following products, or experience. Again, he tells you to change your picture here and write your name here so that you have a funnel that's fully branded towards you. This is the opt-in form here. Once somebody opts in, they'll be taken over to a bridge page, which he recommends you record a video for. So go ahead and show you that bridge page. Now this is what the bridge pit will look like. You can either upload one of his videos or you can record your own bridge page video. The next thing is the thank you page. Now this is where they're going to be thanked, and tell them to go to the course. The course that he actually gives you is a pretty in-depth course. These are all the different modules inside of the course, and actually, I'm going to go ahead and show you the course now. If you didn't get it by now, the 72-hour challenge is essentially him giving you a done-for-you landing page, bridge page, and a thank you page, as well as a fully fledged out course which will teach people affiliate marketing. The cool thing is you've white labeled it so you're able to put your affiliate links throughout. So let me show you that this is the introduction where he says, hello, my name is, and your name, and then again you can partner with him and leverage his brand by making your own introduction videos, or of course you can just delete this video and just have Jonathan. As you can see, there's an introduction to the blueprint to quit in your 9-to-5. How to set up your automated system. Now let me just show you here. This one here are the best affiliate programs and software to promote. This is what's powerful about this system that Jonathan's giving for just $9. He has all of this training in here. You get to leverage all of the results that he's had in the past. All of the training that he's already done, and you get this for not just $9. What you get to do is you get to customize the workbook and all of these different affiliate products to have your own affiliate link so that you can go ahead and refer people to these landing pages, opt-in pages, collect your own leads, and also promote a course that teaches them everything they need to start an affiliate marketing business. This course includes all of your affiliate links. Essentially, you're able to copy and duplicate. Basically, franchise out essentially without it being a franchise, right? Jonathan's entire system, and put your own affiliate links. So if you refer somebody to this free course and they go through and they decide they want to pick up TubeBuddy or they want to get response or ClickFunnels after watching this course, our links are going to be in there and you're going to be making an affiliate commission. Jonathan also has extra mentorship that he sells to people within the course, and again this is going to be your affiliate link where you can earn thousands of dollars in commissions when somebody makes a purchase. You can promote the 72-hour challenge in your funnel, and is also Freedom Accelerator program, which costs $1,500. It pays a 50% commission to you across the funnel. You get paid 75% commission if you purchase Freedom Accelerator yourself. It might even pay more by the time recording this video. If somebody went through and bought from all your affiliate links, you could potentially make thousands of dollars from a single person who goes through this course. Obviously, no income guarantees anything. As you can see, this is where you're going to be getting access to in the 72-hour challenge. So do I recommend it to you? Well, that's up to you, right? You've already seen exactly where you're going to get access to in this video. It's up to you if this is for you. If you're looking for a done-for-you affiliate marketing business which teaches people how to do affiliate marketing, and it's a totally free course, you can go ahead and send traffic to collect your own leads and then make your own commissions on the back end without having to record the videos yourself. Leverage Jonathan's brand and his training and his course, then this is definitely worth a few. It's only $9. It's kind of a no-brainer if you're looking for an offer to promote and you want to be able to offer something for free. This is a lot of value that you can give away to people for free, and it contains all of your unique affiliate links so that you get paid commissions. He also has a traffic method for fast results where he teaches you how to do different traffic strategies to go ahead and actually get people to opt in and actually go through the free course that contains your affiliate links. I'm not going to go through and show you those traffic sources. I don't think that's fair, but what I am going to do is if you purchase through my affiliate link, I'm also going to give you a list of the top 30 to 50 affiliate programs that pay you high-ticket recurring commissions. I'm also going to share with you an additional 3 different traffic sources that I personally use that will help you explode this business and get you tons of leads and tons of people going through your course once you've joined the 72-hour challenge. I will leave my affiliate link to the 72-hour challenge in the description and the pinned comment, and to anybody who purchases through that link, I will go ahead and reach out to you via email and give you all of those bonuses that I just mentioned. If you need any help at any time, you can either reach out to Jonathan Montoya in his Facebook group, or if you use my link in the description, go ahead and reach out to me by email at any time and I'll help you set anything up that you might need with. That being said, hopefully this review video gives you enough information to make you confidently make your purchase. Once again, it's only $9 and that's refundable, so if you're on the fence, I recommend you pick it up, you go through the training, and hey, if it's not for you, you can always get a refund. Right, with that being said, go ahead and click the link in the description and grab the challenge instantly.
In the description, I have also included a link to a more detailed 72-hour challenge review on my website. You will also see some killer bonuses that you get if you use my affiliate link. See you then. Tony Omari signing off.